welcome to today's video, and on this video I'm going to show you how to see posts that you recently scrolled through. What this means is actually maybe you scroll through Facebook page and you want to see those previous posts that you scrolled through or you scroll past. I'm going to address that in this video. Now let's go ahead and open Facebook. Right now I'm making use of Facebook page, but this also serves like a profile. So now I'm scrolling through this page, right? I see this particular post. I like it. Pay attention to this image. I like this, right? I like this. And then pay attention to this other image. I see it. I click on it. I read the information. I scroll through. I like it. No, I did not like it. I just, let me go ahead and leave a comment. Mind you, I did not read what that post is all about. I hope I am just making the right thing. So scroll through this one, see Brave browser, like it. Then scroll through all this one. You can pay attention to it, and then this MKHZ video, scroll through it. Now, once you're done with all of these, or probably this one, once you all of this, now let's say I close the application right now, and then I be like, oh, I want to see the post I scroll past. Again, I went back to Facebook, and then I cannot see the post I scroll past, right? Now, there is actually a way to actually go about this formally. You notice on this top area where it has that search icon, go ahead and click on that. And then you can see posts I recently saw, right? You hit enter. Now, this is supposed to show you the recent post you saw. Now, for some reason, it's not showing that. So you can clearly see all of this. These are not the posts I just scrolled through right now. But though this one right here is my video, and it's actually an old video, and I also watched it because it's mine. And all of these are not the posts I scrolled through right now. But I have seen all these posts in the past, right? I remember I've seen some of them, but not all of them. I did not remember all of them. So these are the posts that I have actually seen before. But then if you click on post, people, group, it shows you different thing, right? What I am trying to tell you is that there is no way for you to actually see a post that you scroll past. But then there is actually a way to go around this. How about the posts that you've actually liked or comment, which is what I actually did just now. You go to your profile area. You can click on your profile image to go to your profile area anyway. You come to this area. You click on this three-dotted icon, and then you go to activity log. Then from under activity log is going to show you all of your recent activity. If you do not want to scroll through, you can just go to say liked video. It is going to show you all the video that you watched and liked. There is none right here. That is because I have not liked any video. Don't worry about that. We are going back. Wait for it to load. Remember, I liked a particular post and I also left a comment. Now on this area, I am going to look for a post that I have liked. You see like and reaction, you click on it. So you remember when I was scrolling through initially, I liked this post and this one by Software, and then this one by Server. I did this few minutes ago. Let me click on it so that you see, you remember this image. I told you to memorize it. And this one also, I also told you to pay attention to it. If you remember, Brave browser. And then I left comment on another video. Let me go ahead and go back again. I left a comment on other videos. You can see where it says your comment, you click on it. So you can see your comment, you can see your like. This is the one I left comment at. And if you click on it and scroll down, you can see the comment I left right here, right here. So this is actually how you see your previous like, your previous comment or reaction on Facebook. But for you to see the previous posts that you have actually scrolled past, that is not possible. So if this video is helpful and you like it, smash like and share it with your friends. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.